Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adriel. I build profitable personal brands. I've generated over multiple six figures and I got to my first 10K month at 18 in a different niche, and I've gotten a lot of success to my students as well. In today's masterclass, I'm gonna teach you exactly the steps that I took to be able to build my personal brand. Not just personal brand, the personal brands that actually sells my expertise and turns that into cash, and how you can do it as well, and how I did it to my students. And this video is not for people who want to just gain fame, overnight success, doesn't really want to build a business around it, just wants views and learn the tricks to trick the algorithm. This is not for those kind of people. If you're one of those people, then I highly suggest you find some other guy who wants to teach you how to get famous. This is for people who want to actually sell their expertise through their personal brand and convert that into real cash. Now, before I actually get into the details on how to build a profitable personal brand step by step, you may think like, well, why would I want to grow a personal brand in the first place? Well, I want you to understand that we live in an age where we have a complete new currency, and I'm not talking about Japanese yen, I'm not talking about USD dollars, I'm not talking about Great British pounds, I'm talking about attention. There's a reason why these billion-dollar companies, like some Fortune 500 companies, are now starting to invest on social media apps. They want to get a piece of that pie because they know the game. They know that attention is currency. Those social media apps are making billions and billions of dollars. People in it as well who are posting are also making a lot of money, so you can be a part of this game too. And there is a reason why I've been saying that we live in a gold rush now, and with this gold rush you're able to build yourself something sustainable, unlike crypto and this and that you probably missed in 2007 when you were being a baby, just like me. And right now there are some people who are smart and they capitalize on this by posting videos almost every single day and doing it the right way. For example, if you look at Alex Hormozi, he made over $100 million in a weekend with his book launch. Essentially, he was live streaming to his audience and he posts a lot of content, okay? And he does it in a right way, okay? He's not just trying to go viral, even though he goes viral because he's good at the shit that he does, but he posts to a specific type of people who actually have money and are willing to potentially buy his program in the future. That way he's able to convert that audience into cash. And there's people like Brett Scales, TJR Trades. And I, by the way, just recently, like a couple of days ago, recorded a complete funnel breakdown on how Brett Scales makes over $1 million per month with his personal brand. You can go check it out after this video if you want to. The point I'm trying to make here is that if you're not building a personal brand in 2026, you are making your life way harder than it should be. Because you have to understand that 99%, probably even more, of the people who are using social media are consumers. And the rest 1%, 0.5%, they are actually producers. Now, there's way more demand than supply. So that's why you need to enter this game. But how do we actually stand out and make money with this? Well, that takes us to the step number one, the content brand pillars. So essentially, your content needs to have a brand pillar, the thing that you're known for. Okay, for example, this new channel, I'm known for building profitable personal brands. Okay, I have students who are making money. You're here because you want to know how can you turn attention to cash? How can you turn your own expertise to cash? You have to find something that you want to be known for. And I'm not just saying that you have to think about something like, oh, I want to speak about sales. I want to speak about trading. I want to speak about fitness. If you now just go out there and you start teaching people some topics like crypto, but you don't have any expertise in it, people are going to notice and people are going to realize that you are just talking some shit. I would actually just sit down for a moment and I would look at the younger version of myself. Let's say this is the younger version of myself. What were you struggling with before that you're not struggling with right now because we solved the problem? Let's say if I was fat before and now I'm fit, I solved a massive problem that a lot of people like in the world have right now. There are people who are so obese they cannot even get out from their bed. Now, if I solved that problem already and I have proof that I solved the problem, people want to listen, the people who are obese. So that's the brand pillar. Because we're not just trying to go viral. We don't want to just speak to everyone. We want to actually speak to that audience who we want to help, because that is the audience who's gonna eventually pay us some money and we can help them. Okay, we can solve their problems and we both benefit. But Adriel, what if I'm still struggling? What if I haven't solved any problems in my life? What if I haven't accomplished anything to talk about? Well, I'm gonna give you two answers. First of all, there has to be something you have accomplished. Okay, it can be simple as you being good at studying. Okay, you got great grades in school. Let's say if you truly don't have anything, then I would really work on that. Okay, I would really, first of all, find a thing that you would potentially in the future want to talk about. And then I would post my own journey of becoming the guy who accomplishes that goal, and then eventually you can start teaching about it. Let's say, for example, I want to teach people how to do sales, but I'm not really good at sales. I've never done sales. Then I would start posting online about the journey of me going from a nobody to being good at sales, to getting my first 10 clients, to closing high ticket sales. And then when I accomplish that, when I'm confident in myself, then I would start teaching. And I think sharing your own journey is very powerful because that really builds that trust and authority. It builds history to your channel. Now let's move on to the second thing, building qualified attention so that we can build that community of people who want to solve that problem we already solved. Now there's this one problem that I see people make online when they're trying to build a profitable personal brand, make money selling their expertise. They're teaching people how to go from fat to fit. That's their brand pillar. That's what they're known for. That's their expertise. Now, let's say on Monday, they post a video talking about the subject. Okay, here's the story how I went from fat to fit. Here's the best meal prep plan you can do to actually go from fat to fit, etc., etc. The next day, he speaks about trading. And then on Wednesday, he posts a gaming video. Thursday, he talks about crypto. You get the point, okay? They're not consistent. Okay, if you do that consistently, talking about multiple subjects in your brand, that is not good because you're not building that audience who want to get your help specifically. They don't see you as an authority, and that's the biggest problem, okay? Because people will only buy from you if they see you as an authority. And I'm gonna very soon get into the part where we actually sell something. But you see what is going, like if you're not staying consistent with posting to that one ideal avatar, your ICP, then that is gonna be destructive because you're building a community who are not trying to solve that specific problem. A simple fix would be like, I would just really double down on trying to help one single person, my younger version of myself who was struggling with X. I was struggling with making money with my personal brand, okay, because this isn't my first channel, okay? I had a trading channel, right? But because I was able to build a profitable personal brand, that's why I created this channel where I'm helping my younger version of myself. You have to really understand who your ICP is, your ideal customer profile. Now, this thing actually creates a new problem for most personal brands when they realize this. They're like, wow, do I need to only post this kind of video to this kind of person every single day? Wait, what is going on? Why am I not getting sales? Why? See, that takes us to the step number 3. Step number 3 is the marketing funnel. Now we have to understand that without this funnel, nothing is going to work. Now there's a reason why most people are struggling with this is because they are using their personal brand as a marketing tool. Just buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. But they don't understand that there's a whole process. Okay, you have to understand top of funnel, middle funnel, and bottom funnel. And the point is to move people down in the funnel. Essentially, top of funnel videos are videos where you talk about your topic, but in a very broad way. For example, if I teach people how to go from fat to fit, let's say that's my topic, that's my niche. I can post a challenge video. I try to eat 0 calories for 30 days straight. Let's see what happens. Okay, you get the point. Like I fasted for 90 days. Let's see what happens. Did I die? Essentially, the reason why that is super important because we need to get some people in the funnel. We need to get some eyeballs. Now, we have to understand that top of funnel video is not going to convert. It usually doesn't convert people into buying customers, but that's super crucial anyways because some of them are later on going to be converted into buying customers. Now, middle funnel videos are the videos where you're not gonna get the most reach, but you're gonna actually get the most leads. And what a lead is, it's a potential customer, right? Because middle funnel videos is where you actually show your expertise. You build that trust, you build that community because people need to understand what is your subject, what is your expertise, what are you gonna teach them, right? That's why you have to always post educational content as well. That's where your content pillars are being shown. Bottom funnel videos, these are the videos that get the least views usually, the least reach, but they get the most money. Now, obviously, you have to understand if you only post bottom funnel videos, it will not get you money. But if you post all of them, the bottom funnel videos will make you money. Now, essentially what bottom funnel videos are, they are the proof of concept. They are the social proof. Like, for example, the best bottom funnel videos to post, in my opinion, is to show your client results or show your own proof and literally showing your own transformation going from here's how I went from a gooner to a non-gooner. Okay, if that's your topic. Here's how I gained a 6-pack abs. Here's how I went from fat to fit. here's how I am from unprofitable to profitable. Within those videos, you're gonna really hard pitch them, okay? You're gonna push your CTA. What is a CTA? Call to action, okay? And if you want results like these, buy my program or sign up or whatever. You get the point. Now, there's just one thing that nobody in the industry talks about, and it is the thing that causes almost 90% of the personal brands stay broke. It is not collecting your audience. And that is step number 4. If you do not collect your audience, you're essentially just hoping that your viewers are gonna watch your next video and then they will buy from you within that video. Let's say if you have an audience and you post a bottom funnel video, you're just hoping that they see the video next time and that the algorithm is not gonna forget about you. But Adriel, what do you mean by collecting your audience? How can I literally collect my audience? Well, it's actually quite simple. So you can build a community, a Telegram channel, a Discord channel, and my favorite, an email list. This is your best marketing tactic. Now, let's say if my niche again is fat to fit, going from fat, I teach you how to go from fat to fit, and I have an audience, but I want to collect my audience. I want to create an email list. What I can do is actually give my audience something for free. I can give them a free course. I can give them a free ebook, and I can just hand it out to them. Hey, here's my ebook if you want it. Here's how you can get it. Okay, what they have to do to get it is to just give their information, give their email. That way, they just entered my email list and I can promote them my products. I can give them more free value. And that's a whole different topic. Okay, email marketing, that's a whole different topic. You get the point. If you're not collecting your audience, you're just hoping that they will watch your next video and maybe buy from you. But this way, you actually own the audience now. Okay, you're not just relying on the algorithm, you own the audience. Right? Super, super powerful. And if you're not using this, then you're missing out on a lot of sales, potential sales, right? Now, you might think like, what sales, Adriel? What sales? How can I make money? Let's move to the step number 5. What should you actually sell? You have to understand, since we are posting to people who have a problem that we already solved, we're posting educational videos, we're posting top of funnel videos, middle of funnel videos, bottom of funnel videos. We also own our audience now. What the hell should we sell? We're gonna sell them our expertise, more education, but you have to understand you cannot market it as education. You have to sell them a transformation program. This right here was my low ticket Discord membership access. It was $50 per month. I had like 30, 40 clients coming in, right? Pay me monthly. I was making like 1.5K, 2K per month, right? Okay, this was in my different channel. This was my different niche. One thing changed my life. One single change. I stopped selling low ticket and I started selling high ticket coaching. Usually high ticket means a program that costs more than 2.5K can go up to 10K. Literally, there's people who are selling 30K programs, right? The sky is the limit. Now, obviously, when I learned that I could sell high ticket, I was like, there's no way people are gonna buy my high ticket products. There's no freaking way. No way someone's gonna pay me $2,000. Well, guess what? I decided to try it anyways, and I got to my first $2,000 day within, what was it, like 3 days after launching? Like after launching my high ticket program. And that first month became my first 10K month. Okay, and I was 18 years old. Point of what I'm trying to make is that I'm not trying to flex here. I'm showing that it's possible. You can obviously make a lot of money with low ticket. You can, and you should sell low ticket if your topic is very broad. Like let's say you're talking about just some fitness general advice. You can sell low ticket. Now, obviously, with low ticket, you have to sell out to a lot of people to make the same money as with a group of people that pays you a lot of money. You get the point, okay? But you can make money with anything, okay? You just have to sell your expertise. With low ticket, you can just sell it like this, okay? Here's the link. Now, with high ticket, if it's more than $2,000, there should be there has to be a sales call in the middle. Now, let's move on to the last step, and this is the most important step if you want to build a profitable personal brand. The most important thing when it comes to building a profitable personal brand that actually sells your expertise and turns it into cash is not trying to optimize everything and try to be perfect. The most important thing is to show up. Most people online are just focused on the back end side of things. If you don't get the people in the actual funnel, the actual system, then how can you actually sell them? Most people are just focused on optimizing the sales page, optimizing this and that. Focus on the marketing, okay? Because this is the thing that actually gets people in the system. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I'm the biggest victim of this, right? Sometimes I just forget what's the most important thing. I just focus on the back end side of things, trying to do this, reading comments, this and that. I just need to show up and record the video and teach. Okay, that's the most important thing. Speak to my ideal avatar. That's the most important thing, right? And you're gonna, if it feels hard right now, don't worry. You're gonna figure it out. You just need to show up and put more reps in, right? Just record that video. Now, if you have expertise and you want to build and scale your profitable personal brand, then I can help you personally, okay? Because it was freaking hard when I started out. That's why I created my inner circle where I help my students build a profitable personal brand that actually turns their expertise into $10,000 to $30,000 per month. Now, if you want to be a part of it, become my student, apply from the first link in the description, all right? As usual, I will see you on the other side. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.